Hi, I am Carlos and welcome back to CLIPSE Basic Tutorial. For this video, I am going to discuss how to easily kick off learning CLIPSE by installing CLIPSE IDE. The CLIPSE IDE is available on Windows and Mac OS only. But this does not mean that we cannot learn in Linux OS. Of course we can, by running CLIPSE in the terminal via CLIPSE Java native interface, which will be discussed in the later video. To install CLIPSE in Windows operating system, we need to download the installer. We can find the installer by searching Windows. And now we are presented with two installers for Windows, the 32-bit and the 64-bit installer. To tell which installer we need to download, we need to know the system type of our operating system. For us to tell, we will visit the system information. Click on the system information and find the system type, which is here, and it says x64 based PC. So we know that our operating system is 64-bit. So we need to install the 64-bit installer. It will download after 5 seconds. Once it has been downloaded, we can start installation. Double click on the installer. It is preparing to install. Just wait for it for a while. And the welcome to the CLIPSE 6.31 setup wizard appeared. Just click next. And for the license agreement, click on I agree radio button. Click next afterwards. Now, it's time to select installation folder. You can browse where you want to install your CLIPSE. As for me, I will set it as is. Now, the confirm installation shows. Just click next. CLIPSE will start installing. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Installation complete. Click close. To test if our installation is successful, we can visit the CLIPSE IDE. Click on the CLIPSE IDE, and here is the CLIPSE IDE window. To install CLIPSE in Mac operating system, we need to download the installer. We can find the installer through searching Mac OS. The installer is named CLIPSE _ Mac OS _ executable _ 631.dmg. Click on the link. Now it will count for 5 seconds and start to download. Now it's downloading. After downloading the installer, it's time to install. Double click on the installer. Just click agree. And it will start to opening the CLIPSE macros executable 631.dmg. drag CLIPSE IDE to Applications folder. And CLIPSE will be added to the Applications folder. And to test our installation if working, we can click the CLIPSE IDE, allow it to open, and here we have the CLIPSE IDE dialog. I hope this video helps a lot with installing CLIPSE IDE. For the next video, we will run CLIPSE in the console terminal for Linux, Windows, and Mac OS. So stay tuned. This is all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you and God bless to all.